everyone. Now we will see calculation of VAR, that is value at risk, in case of two asset model, which is a portfolio consisting of two assets. Here it is the sum. Consider a portfolio consisting of both $10 million of Microsoft shares and $5 million of AT&T shares. Suppose correlation between these two shares is 0.3, standard deviation of Microsoft is 0.2 and standard deviation of AT&T is 0.05. Calculate daily volatility and 1-day VAR. So it is a portfolio investment consisting of two company shares, Microsoft and AT&T, investing 10 million and 5 million in each of the companies. We'll see the solution now. Initially we need to calculate daily volatility. Formula is annual volatility divided by square root 250, and we are supposed to calculate annual volatility here. Annual volatility is nothing but the standard deviation of investment. So we need to calculate standard deviation of two asset portfolio. Formula is square root of sigma 1 square w1 square sigma 2 square w2 square plus 2 sigma 1 sigma 2 w1 w2 r12. So sigma 1 square represents sigma square, sigma 1 represents standard deviation of asset 1, then sigma 2 represents standard deviation of asset 2, w1 w2 represents proportionate amount of investment made in each asset. R12 represents correlation between two assets. Now standard deviation of Microsoft is given. Standard deviation of Microsoft is given 0.2. Then my standard deviation of AT&T is given 0.05. Then W1 means proportionate amount of investment made in first asset we have to take. So 10 million and a total of investment made in Microsoft as well as AT&T. So 10 million will be the investment made in Microsoft divided by total investment. So that is 10 plus 5, which is total investment. So we will get 0.67, and W2 represent proportionate amount of investment made in second asset, that is 5 divided by total investment, that is 10 plus 5, which will be coming to 15, and this is going to be 0.33. Then R12 given in this sum only 0.03. Now we need to calculate standard deviation of the portfolio, where square root of sigma 1 square means 0.2 square, w1 square means 0.67 square plus sigma 2 square means 0.05 square into w2 square means 0.33 square plus 2 into sigma 1 means 0.2, sigma 2 means 0.05 into W1 means 0.67, W2 means 0.33 into R12 means 0.03. If we solve this, we will get standard deviation of the portfolio, which is 0.139. After getting this, we can calculate daily volatility. Daily volatility is equal to annual volatility divided by square root 250. So annual volatility is 0.139 divided by square root 50. If we solve, we will get daily volatility as 0.0088. Then we need to calculate 1 day VAR. Formula is position value into daily volatility into confidence level Z value. So position value means the amount of investment, that is 15 million into daily volatility. We got 0.0088 into confidence level Z value is going to be 1.645. So if confidence level is not given in the sum, then we can assume it is 95% confidence level, and there the Z value will be 1.645. And if we solve this, we will get 0.217 million rupees.